Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Zach.
Hello, Zach. Hi, everyone. I'm Zoe. I was just thinking about going to work. Episode 69 today.
Oh, nice, Zoe. That is a very useful topic. Lots of people go to work every day, and they have many different feelings about it.
Yes, sometimes we feel happy, sometimes tired, sometimes nervous, and sometimes excited. All feelings are normal.
Before we go deep into our talk, we want to ask a small favor to our listeners.
Yes, friends, if you like this conversation, please subscribe to the English Podcast Channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot.
And please share this episode with your friends who are learning English. Your support helps us make more lessons for you. Thank you so much. Now, let us begin our conversation about going to work. Okay, Zoe, first question for you. How do you usually get to work?
I usually take the bus. My bus stop is near my home. I walk 5 minutes and then I wait for the bus.
That walk must feel nice in the morning.
Sometimes, yes, but sometimes it is cold or rainy, and then it is not so nice.
I understand. I drive to work most days. My car is small, and my commute takes about 20 minutes.
Driving can be relaxing and stressful at the same time.
True, traffic is the big problem. Some mornings traffic is heavy, and I feel stressed.
When the road is full, you feel tired even before you get to the office.
Let us share a small story. One morning, I was late for a meeting. My car would not start.
Oh no, what did you do?
I pushed the car to the side and called a taxi. I arrived at the meeting 30 minutes late.
Were people upset?
They were a little annoyed, but my boss was kind. He said, "It's okay, Zach. We will wait for you." That small kindness helped me a lot.
That is a good lesson. Small kindness at work makes stressful mornings easier.
Zoe, do you have a funny or memorable story from going to work?
Yes, I do. Once I went to work with my shirt inside out. I did not notice until lunchtime.
Really? How did you find out?
My coworker came to me and said quietly, "Zoe, your shirt." I looked down and I started to laugh, and then I felt a little embarrassed.
We all have those moments. They make good memories later.
Yes, now I always check my clothes in the mirror before leaving home.
We should teach listeners some useful vocabulary for going to work. Simple words and phrases they can use every day.
Great idea, Zach. Let us speak slowly and clearly so beginners can follow.
First words: commute, traffic, bus stop, subway, train, drive, carpool, bike, walk, office, meeting, shift, schedule, break.
Overtime. Now, phrases. I'm going to work. I'm leaving for work. I will be late. I caught the bus. I missed the train. The traffic is heavy. I have a meeting. I'm on my way.
Repeat after us. I am going to work.
I'm going to work.
I am running late.
I'm running late.
The meeting starts at 9.
The meeting starts at 9.
Good job, everyone.
It's also good to practice small talk for the commute and for the office. Small talk helps you make friends.
Yes, small talk is simple. You can ask, "How are you today?" Or say, "Did you watch that show last night?" Or, "Did you have a good weekend?"
I like asking people about their weekend. People often like to talk about food or movies or family.
Remember to listen and smile. That shows you are friendly.
Now we will role play a short morning scene. Zach is leaving home and I am his roommate.
Zach says, "Hey, Zoe, I'm leaving for work now."
Zoe says, "Okay, Zach, have a good day. Do you need your lunch?"
Zach says, "Yes, please. Could you bring my lunch to me? I left it on the table."
Zoe says, "Sure, I will. Don't forget your umbrella. It might rain."
Zach says, "Thank you. See you tonight."
Zoe says, "Bye, Zach. Have a safe trip."
This short scene shows simple lines you can use every morning.
Many of our listeners ask what to say when they are late. That's a common worry.
If you're late, you can say, "I'm sorry I'm late," or "Sorry for the delay," or "Thank you for waiting." These phrases are polite and helpful.
Sometimes it's good to give a short reason, too. For example, "I'm late because there was heavy traffic," or "I missed the bus." Keep it simple.
Honesty is good. Don't make long excuses. A short explanation is usually enough.
Let us talk about work clothes and preparation. How you prepare at night can change your morning.
Yes, I always prepare my bag the night before. I put my laptop, charger, notebook, and wallet in the bag.
I prepare my clothes and my lunch the night before. That small habit saves time and reduces stress.
Also, check the weather the night before or in the morning. It helps you choose clothes and bring an umbrella if needed.
Another important thing is the morning mindset. How you think in the morning affects the whole day.
Yes, if you start with a calm and positive thought, your day can be better. Small things like breathing deeply for 30 seconds or smiling in the mirror can help.
I like to think of one small goal for the day. It can be simple, like I will be kind or I will finish one task. One small goal feels good and doable.
That's a great tip, Zoe. Small goals build confidence.
Now let's talk about safety during your commute. Safety is important for everyone.
If you drive, always wear a seatbelt and follow traffic rules. Avoid using your phone while driving.
If you ride a bike, wear a helmet and bright clothes so drivers can see you. Use bike lanes when possible.
If you take public transport, keep your belongings close and be aware of your surroundings. If something feels wrong, move to a different seat or leave at the next stop.
Safety is simple and smart. Small actions can protect you.
Many people work from home now. Going to work can mean sitting at your desk in the kitchen or a quiet room.
Yes, working from home is different. You don't travel, but you still prepare. Have a clean workspace and a set schedule.
Take short breaks, stretch, and go outside for a few minutes if you can. Those breaks help your body and mind.
Also, tell family or roommates your work time. This helps them know when you are busy and when you are free.
Let us share another story. One day, I had an important presentation. I was nervous in the morning. My hands were shaking a little.
What did you do to calm down, Zach?
I took deep breaths, I had a small cup of tea, and I reviewed my notes one more time. Talking with a friend also helped. When I spoke to colleagues, they smiled and encouraged me. Then I gave the presentation, and it went well.
Having support from friends and coworkers makes a big difference.
We will now do a short listening practice. I will say 3 short sentences, and Zoe will ask questions. Listeners try to answer before Zoe asks.
Ready, Zach? Yes.
Sentence 1. I missed the bus this morning.
Question 1. Did Zach catch the bus? Pause. Answer. No, he missed the bus.
Sentence 2. The meeting starts at 10 o'clock.
Question 2. When does the meeting start? Pause. Answer. At 10 o'clock.
Sentence 3. I will finish the report by 5.
Question 3. When will Zach finish the report? Pause. Answer. By 5.
Good practice, everyone. Listening helps you understand real speech.
Now, some common phrases you can use at work. These are polite and helpful.
Could you help me with this? I will do that. Can we meet at 2? I am ready for the meeting. I will be on time. I am running late. Say them slowly and practice with us.
Could you help me with this?
Could you help me with this?
I'm ready for the meeting.
I am ready for the meeting.
Thank you, everyone. Small practice like this makes you confident.
Before we close, we want to share 5 quick tips for a better morning commute to work.
Tip 1. Prepare the night before. Pack your bag and choose your clothes.
Tip 2. Wake up a little earlier to avoid rushing. Even 10 minutes help.
Tip 3. Check the weather and traffic before leaving.
Tip 4. Bring a small snack and water in case your day is busy.
Tip 5. Try to smile and say hello to one person. Small kindness matters.
These tips are easy, but they can change your day in a good way.
Now our final practice. Repeat after us one last time. I'm going to work. I will try my best today. I will be kind. I will learn something new.
I am going to work. I will try my best today. I will be kind. I will learn something new.
Thank you for practicing with us. We hope this episode helps you feel ready for going to work.
Remember to subscribe to the English Podcast channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot.
Share this episode with your friends and try to say one English sentence tomorrow morning.
Small steps every day lead to big progress. Be kind to yourself on hard mornings.
Thank you for listening to episode 69 about going to work. We enjoyed speaking with you.
See you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone, and have a productive and happy day at work.
Goodbye, and good luck with your English practice.